We stayed at the Hotel Gracery Shinjuku, also known as the Godzilla Hotel. We stayed at the very top room. It's called the Godzilla floor, and this is what our experience was in this hotel. And it's right in the middle of Shinjuku, so you're right smack in the middle of everything. So we're at the very top floor. This is the lobby of the hotel. It's got a lot of Godzilla stuff all over the place. So I like this Godzilla statue over here. And here's the Godzilla head that you saw at night. They used to let people go out there, but they have it closed off now because I guess somebody jumped or something like that. So you can't go out there with the Godzilla head anymore. And this is more the lobby, and they have a lot of Godzilla merch that you can buy. We bought some shirts and Godzilla magnets for the fridge. A lot of Godzilla merch. Some of the Godzilla t-shirts. And here's some Godzilla history throughout the years. And all this is in the lobby. They have all this. We only stayed here one night. It's not too cheap. I think it was like $500 for the night, but we were on the very top floor. The room is pretty ordinary, nothing special, but the view is spectacular, so it was worth it just for the view from the very top, as you'll see once we get to the room. And here's a quick room tour. Like I said, it's nothing special. It's good. It's nice. It's comfortable. But the best part is the view from the windows, since you're way up there. And I added the Godzilla roar, so don't be worried about hearing Godzilla roaring all over the place, because you won't hear him. I just added that just for fun. And this is the view during the day. You gotta love Godzilla on the elevators and inside the elevator. It's super cool. And now this is the view at night from the hotel, from our room.
Skyscrapers pierce the sky like gleaming swords as the city awakens with vibrant chords. Tokyo nights, a dazzling sight, a symphony of colors, a mesmerizing light. Neon rivers flow through the bustling streets as the city dances to its own unique beat. Shibuya crossing the human tide, Akihabara's glow where dreams collide. Sensoji's incense fills the air as Tokyo spirit everywhere. Tokyo nights, a dazzling sight, a symphony of colors, a mesmerizing light. Neon rivers flow through the bustling streets as the city dances through its own unique beat. All the imperial palace pleasure all to the vibrant alleys where stories unfold. Tokyo's charm enchants with every step, a fusion of tradition. The future's me, the future's me. A dazzling sight, a symphony of colors, a mesmerizing light. Neon rivers flow through the bustling streets as the city dances to its own unique beat. From the imperial palace splendor all to the vibrant alleys where stories unfold. Tokyo's charm enchants with every step, a fusion of tradition where futures meet. Tokyo nights, a dazzling sight, a symphony of colors, a mesmerizing light. Neon rivers flow through the bustling streets as the city dances.